Over the next few minutes, I'd like to provide a preview of the Creating Meaning with Kumu course from Systems Thinking World. This course is intended to be everything that you might ever want or care to know about Kumu and how to go about doing it. The course is currently 41 lectures in about 4 hours of video content. It's expected to continue to evolve over the next 4 to 6 months to add the new things as they develop and round out those things currently not yet covered in the course. The course starts out and simply provides an overview of the Kumu environment itself, begins to talk about the structure of the environment itself and how it's put together, begins to provide a sense of how to create a basic relationship model in Insight Maker, and then evolves to doing causal relationships, causal loop diagrams, and finally into doing whole process models, relationship maps, and also the 5 or 6 different kinds of maps that we've already figured out how to do within Kumu. Once the basics are covered, we talk about how to create more evolved or involved relationship maps of content that provide a reference model or might provide a learning model in this particular model. Each of these, it's based upon a subway line metaphor where each one of the different colors represents a learning sequence which one can select and then begin at the beginning and walk through the sequence. And when they're finished, go ahead and find another one that they want to learn about. So this is just another type of map that was created in Kumu. And in each one of these, it provides a description and then it provides access to models. Some of them provide access to videos that are presented right in the environment itself. Then on to presenting more intricately involved causal structures. This is one that was done about the quality of life in Hawaii, which is on multiple levels, as opposed to this is a gross abstraction where if you look at this particular element of this model, this element represents a whole nother causal loop structure, which is in another map down one level further, so that this is that causal loop structure represented on the previous map. We then talk about attributes and how you can create additional attributes for elements of the model and then do decorations of the model based upon what's in the attributes in this particular model. The size of the various elements are dependent upon the net worth of the individuals, or the this is based upon the what was it? Not sure what this is based upon, but they're different sizes. Oh, the net worth. Okay, but it's to how to go ahead and create an additional set of attributes for elements of the model for things that you want to keep track of with regard to components that you're mapping together. And a reason that you might want to create attributes is these are a number of people who were attending a symposium. There were a number of attributes created for these individuals and content captured. You notice that none of these are linked together, the reason being that one can then use the built-in cluster feature to say, I want to know which people want to know more about which kinds of things, and Kumu will then go ahead and do the clustering for you so that it says, okay, here are people that are interested in dialogue, and I can go ahead and, or governance, I can select that, and it shows me who those people are. Or I can go back and say, I want to know about those people interested in results and indicators. That's the group of people that have indicated that of that interest. So it's a way to sort of tag people with various and sundry interests and then identify on the fly what the connections are. There's also a set of metrics that have been developed. We'll be adding the lectures about metrics within the next couple of weeks. And also within the next couple of weeks, we will add the components about the presentation mode that's just about to be released, where you can take a model that you develop and you can unfold that model as a presentation or a story inside of Kumu, so that one doesn't have to try to understand the entire model at once. You can present it to them in a way that's easier to understand. So various aspects of the course at the moment, and as I said, it will continue to evolve over the next 4 to 6 months. You can currently find discounted access to this course at systemswiki.org. The current price is $17 simply because it's a work in progress, and expect it to continue to evolve over the next 4 to 6 months. And as the course evolves, you can expect the price to go up in the future, though you will have forever access to it at whatever price you initially registered for the course. So hope you found this informative and look forward to our interactions in the course. Bye.